Have you ever thought about things you can sell and start selling from now on without spending a dollar out of your pocket? Have you ever wanted to make money without taking the risk to lose money or even time? Well, this video is going to talk just about that. Hey guys, this is Izzy again in another video about 5 weirdest things you can start selling right at this second. I would like to know your feedback once you watch the entire video, so please make sure you leave a comment and let me know what's your feedback and thoughts about the whole thing. A lot of people want to make money, but they're just so fucking lazy and not motivated or trained enough to have faith in what they do. This is a big paradox that needs to be rethought and revised if you're really serious about making money and just be financially successful. Just fucking change the way you think and try to change your mindset if you're if you're being true about changing your current financial situation. Making money without working for any ass employer requires a lot of time and dedication. It also requires a lot of hard work and tendency to not only take risks but also just make a lot of sacrifices. Look guys, it's just like a fisherman game. The deeper you go in the ocean and the more risk you take, the more fish you're gonna get. Don't be afraid of taking risks, since in business it's the only way to filter out hustlers from lazy asses, with all the respect. Now, for all those lazy asses out there, I have made this video literally exclusively just for you. If you're not a lazy ass, please again, just skip this video and move on to the next one. We know that money definitely doesn't grow on trees, but it might be growing right in your poop. Yes, you heard that right in your poop, guys. The first way to make money without getting your ass to work or spending a dollar out of pocket is to sell your poop. I'm sorry, you're gonna get your ass to work by selling poop. It might seem funny to think about it, but there are actually a lot of research and medical companies out there that would indeed pay you for every single poop you poop. So all you gotta do is poop as much as you could to make a lot of money. If you're healthy, you can sell your poop to these companies for as much as $13,000 a year. That right there is a lot of money, guys. I mean, for some lazy asses that all they can do is poop. These donations are proven to help people with C. difficile infection as a new treatment called fecal microbiota transplantation that uses poop has proven to cure 85% of people carrying this disease after the first try. You can earn up to $40 per poop or donation, which means $120 if you average 3 poops a day, or even $200 guys if you could poop it out 5 times a day. So please, no excuses from now on, as you could be your own poop factory and make a lot of money without spending a dollar out of your pocket. Now, the second way to make money risk-free would be to sell your own pee. So from now on, please, and I stress that out, please, before you stumble out of bed and take that very first piss, try to hold it just for a second and consider what it is you're about to waste and flush away. There's a huge market out there just for your pee. The question that might be perplexing your mind right now is, why in the heck would somebody wanna buy my pee? Okay, look, have you ever thought about those who need to pass a urine drug test, rather it's for work or even sport? These people might pay almost anything to just use your pee to pass their own drug test. You'll be so surprised to find out that pee costs way more than gas. If you can provide somebody with a clean 4 ounces of pee, they will pay you up to $100 and possibly jail time, since it's considered illegal to sell your own pee for this particular purpose. The third money maker for lazy asses out there would be selling your kids. Sorry, I meant your sperm. From now on, you don't have to waste your sperm anymore, as there is a big market for it and it could be a huge money maker for you. If you're healthy, you could sell your sperm for anywhere from $35 to $125 per one donation. The good thing is there are many programs that require a 6-month or even 1 year donation period, and most of them they pay you an average of $1,500 a month. If you do the math, that is $9,000 for a period of 6 months and it is actually 18,000 for those who donate their sperm for a period of 1 year. The main reason sperm, like costs money is because it entails, like fertility treatment, to those who, have like issues with their reproductive system. Guys, your sperm is truly, like an incredible gift that will never be forgotten by those families you help. So please, never waste your sperm again. Now, the fourth way to make money that is risk-free and literally requires no cash out of pocket is for all the beautiful new moms out there. If you're struggling with life and need to make, like some cash on the side to help provide, for your newborn, you can donate your breast milk and make money out of it. This is no joke, guys. We all know that, like breast milk is irreplaceable because it's probably the most crucial way to raise healthy kids. The issue is there are a lot of new moms out there that cannot breastfeed their babies for so many reasons. And if you manage to help them out with this, they will pay you for your donation, which could be anywhere from, like 1.5 to, $3 per 1 ounce. So let's put this in perspective. A baby usually needs, like between 13 and, like 42 ounces of milk a day, which depends primarily on their weight. So that would give you anywhere from $39 to $126 a day, which could end up in a lot of money if you're consistent about it. The fifth money maker is for anybody that wants to make extra money without the hassle of, like a minimum wage job or, like somebody who have bills that needs to be paid immediately. All you gotta do is sign up for a paid clinical trial. This involves like a variety of trials that researchers, they take to solve, like a certain clinical or a psychological issue. I used to know a guy who literally made a living just by constantly signing up for clinical trials. I mean, these trials, they could involve anything from, like checking your sleep patterns to, smoking habits. Cause, research, as we know, it could, like just involve anything you can think of. The payout largely depends on the risk factor the study entails, but for the most part, there are a lot of simple research trials that are risk-free and would eventually reward you, with extra cash that you might need to pay your own bills. As I said, guys, one of my old friends used to make a living out of this strategy, but again, he was very consistent about it and would sign up for every medical trial out there, left and right. You don't have to think only about the financial aspect of this. There are a lot of humanitarian aspects, involved in paid clinical trials. Because, like without human test subjects, the medical field would find so many obstacles to evolve at the same pace it currently is. All right, guys, we have reached the end of this video, and you're probably still wondering why I stress on the fact that these moneymaker ways are exclusively for lazy asses. That is a legit question on its own. However, these are indeed ways, to make money for lazy people, or to word it differently, for people with no potential. Guys, if you're happy with your current financial situation, and all you need is kind of like, to just make some extra cash on the side, then picking up one of these, ways to make money is definitely excusable. But if you're somebody with a, like just a huge potential and willingness, to make a lot of money and kind of like grow your financial side strongly, then you should consider a more solid way to pursue. Making money has never been easier than what it is today. Just fucking look around, like a lot of teenagers make so much money out of, like you name it, drop shipping, flipping used items, marketing, and, so many other decent ways that have been tested, to kind of like make decent money. If you're lost, then you gotta fucking blame yourself. We live in a world, that's controlled by technology and information these days. So you gotta participate in this fucking world, and become a fucking active member instead of consuming information very passively, because that's not gonna get you anywhere. You gotta become a player in the game and, find your own fucking path to realize your own fucking goals. After all successful people out there, they've had their own fucking unique journeys and paths. And for you to fucking try and follow the same path they have taken to realize, your own goals, that's so fucking completely wrong. We all have unique, paths and characteristics, which, if it says anything, it does say, you gotta create your own path and journey and, like just never give up your goal just because you kind of think that you cannot really make it. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video, but again, I would like to know your thoughts and feedback about the entire video in the comment section below. Also guys, remember to subscribe for more videos about financial freedom, and most importantly, free yourself from this greedy fucking capitalist society. See you again next video. Ciao!